Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions review on these contact lenses from TTDEYE. As you guys can tell from the title, it's for their Queen Blue shade. So I'm going to do a demonstration what they look like on my eyes first, and then we'll get into the first impression review. Alright, so there you guys go, that's what the lenses look like on my eyes. As you guys saw, I have naturally dark brown eyes, shifting more reddish, warm tone brown, and yeah, that's what they look like on my eyes. As you guys can probably tell on camera, these lenses are very nice and very natural looking, I have to admit. Very rarely do affordable colored contact lenses look really nice, I have to say. Like when it comes to like blues and grays, sometimes they can look very fake, very ghostly, and I have to admit, I feel like if these lenses were probably 2 or 3 shades lighter, these would probably come off quite zombie-esque, but just because of how deep the color is, it's not too light, it's not too dark, it actually looks nice. I feel like this is a natural eye color you'd see on people with naturally light features. I like how, here's a photo by the way, the limbal ring is like this sort of like true blue color, and then as you go closer towards the pupil, it starts to go into this sort of like greeny blue shade, and then you get pupil. Now the pupil size is a little bit bigger than what I'm used to. As you guys probably know, I do prefer Solotica lenses. Those are like my go-to colored contact lenses, and the pupil size on those ones are really nice. Like they're not too big, they're not too small that you get like tunnel vision. These ones I would say are a little bit bigger, but they're not circle lens big, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm really digging it. There is a slight attempt at blending. I get this question quite a lot, what I mean by blending. When I say blending, obviously with light on, my pupil is quite small, so you'll see a little bit more of the brown peeking through. With other contact lenses, there's always a little bit of like blending, so a little bit of a gradient effect from the contact lens to your natural eye color. And sometimes that can really make or break a contact lens and make it like super natural. Obviously it depends on what color you have originally. Obviously with brown, it's going to be so hard to kind of get that sort of like blending nice. But if you have lighter eyes and you had these on and they had like a more gradient sort of like blending, it would look so much better. But this one kind of like just cuts off, which is still fine. Like I feel like from a normal talking distance, like how I am talking to you guys from the camera right now, I feel like it looks quite natural. And I always have to give this disclaimer whenever I do contact lens reviews, because I always get trolls about I'm Asian and I'm talking about colored contact lenses. They'll never look natural on me, and yes, you are correct, my dear sir or madam. You are correct, but I'm talking about how natural it looks on the eye. I would say this is probably somewhat natural. I wouldn't say it's super natural that, you know, you wouldn't be able to tell whether or not these are contact lenses on me. These are definitely ones that if you look close enough for long enough, you will notice. The reason being is I feel like the pupils tend to a little bit migrate a bit. Like I feel like this eye is going straight ahead, and then the pupil on this eye is going a little bit downwards. Look, I'm not an ophthalmologist. I'm not one of those kind of like doctors that know like if your eyes are a little bit wonky a bit, like that's normal, but this just kind of like highlights it and makes it a little bit more obvious. I mean, this is obviously the first impressions, and I know that sometimes contact lenses will kind of like shift throughout the day and they'll form a little bit better, but at this point in time, I do feel like this eye is kind of like looking down a little bit more compared to this eye. That's just my personal opinion, but I don't think it's obvious. So far in terms of comfort, I feel like these guys are quite comfortable. They're not super thick, but they're not super thin either. And you also have to you guys also have to remember that I wear not colored. You guys also have to remember I always wear clear contact lenses on the daily anyway, so my eyes are pretty much used to having something on them every single day, so my tolerance is a little bit better. Honestly, I feel like these contact lenses are great. For the price, quality, it's really good. I mean, obviously it's not to the level of Solotica, DESIO, but again, for the price, you're getting really good value for money. Speaking of money, I do have a code for you guys. If you guys would like to use it, it's here on the screen. You don't have to use it, but but I would really appreciate it if you guys did. Yeah, let's go back to the review. In terms of shipping, they ship the contact lenses out from Switzerland, from what I can tell, because that's what it said on the packaging. It took, I'd say, a week and a half to get here to Melbourne, Australia. So that's fairly quick, I have to admit. Other things that you get in the box, I'm not really sure if this is just because it's a PR box or this is something they normally send, but my box was pretty much this, and then they have instructions on how to use the lenses if you guys aren't familiar with contact lenses yet. I've got another pair that I'm going to be reviewing. These ones are the Crystal Ball 2 lenses, which I will review very shortly. We have, what is this? A little handheld mirror. That's TTDEYE. Actually, I probably should use that for the next video. They gave me this. It's really cute. I don't really know what I would do with it, but it's cute. Other things you get in the box are these. These are contact lens container cases, and they have the case itself, and they also have those little tweezers, that little plunger looking thing. Honestly, I have never used them. I'm old school, I just use my fingers for that. They also gave me this little cute tattoo thing. You know, you just wet it and then press it on your skin. There you guys go, that is my first impressions review on these lenses. If you guys would like to see my other reviews of other coloured contact lenses, definitely check out the description box down below, or check out the eye on the screen. I don't remember where it is. I'll have a playlist of my DESIO, of my Solotica lenses, and also TTDEYE lens reviews. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see more of me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, and also the like button if you guys like this video. And if you guys would like to see more, even more of me, head over to my Instagram at MrKenDenis. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!